Hey guys, Elisa here. I wanted to jump on here and talk to you about how you can save money while shopping your favorite Scentsy products. So I am going to turn this camera around and show you some examples of how you can bundle and save. So our most popular bundle is going to be the buy 5, get 1 free wax bar. So when you buy 5, you get that 6th one free and it'll be $30. You can buy 3 and save $1, but your best value is going to be when you buy 5 and get that 6th one free. So that is 6 wax bars for $30. We do have licensed bars such as Disney and Marvel and things like that. You cannot mix the regular ones with the licensed ones. They each have their own Scentsy buy 5 get 1 free bundle. So the licensed ones would be buy 5 get 1 free for $32.50 versus $30 because of that licensing. You can get 6 scent packs for $35. You can get 6 travel tins for $25. Now, these travel tins I think are always overlooked in the catalog. They're actually a fun little tin with a slider lid. It has a gel-like substance inside. Now, these kind of remind me of those tree things that I find in my grandmother's bathroom that has like a gel substance, and as it shrinks down and releases the fragrance, so will just like those, this will too, and then you keep using it until it's pretty much just shriveled down. I like these in my car, especially when there's no heat outside, like in the winter. I have used them while going to school, and I've gone out to my car in the middle of it just pouring down rain, open the door because I had this in there, full on fragrance hitting my face. So these work great in the cold and when it's hot out. That is the travel tin. You can buy 5 get 1 free, so 6 scent circles for $15. You can get 6 car bars for $30, and you can get 6 room sprays for $40. And then last but not least, you can get 6 pod packs. So it comes in a pack of 2. These are for like the Scentsy Go's, the wall fans, the mini fans, our messless systems, as I like to call them. So you can get 6 of these for $50. Now, any of these buy 5, get 1 free deals, they're 5 of the exact same type of product, but it does not have to be the exact same scent. They can be all different scents, just as long as it comes in that product. Now, another popular bundle is the buy 1 warmer and 3 bars, and that saves, I believe it's around $3. We have multiple different price points, so you can buy 3 and get a mini warmer and 3 bars. That's also the same type of thing. It's all just based off of the warmer itself and how much that warmer is. Because you can get 2 $35 warmers, so this Chasing Fireflies Mason jar warmer is $35. So if I were to get 2 of those and 6 bars, I can save around $10. There's different price points, like I said. Some warmers are $50, some are $45, some are $40. Depending on what price the warmers you were looking at are, you can get 2 of the exact same price plus 6 bars, and it will save $10 to $15 depending on the bundle. So you can get 2 mini warmers and 6 bars and save 10. So you just got to check the price points of the warmers that you like and are looking at. So that is our wax and warmer bundles. I have a example here of the moisture medley. This is a fun way, a great gift for mom on Mother's Day or anybody for their birthday if you love our body line or if you just want to try it out. So this is a bundle that comes with 1 hand cream, 1 body cream, 1 body wash, and 1 hand soap. Now, they do not have to be all the same scent. They just have to come in that product, in that particular scent you might be looking at. One of our newest bundles is the buy 3 fragrance flowers and save $3. Now, that red one right there, so these are all used ones. I use them as examples because I don't want to spill it when I'm moving them around. So they're empty, as you can see, because I've already used them. But that red one, I colored with a Sharpie before I stuck it in the oil, and then it bled out and turned it red like that. So it doesn't come red. They all come white, starting out like this. So when you buy 3 fragrance flowers, you can save $3. They can be all the same style. They can be all different scents, but they do not, and they don't have to be the same. So these are dahlias, And then that red one is the Buttercup Bell style. So you can get mix and match of the style as well as mix and match of the fragrance scent. So we have our clean bundle, which comes with a bathroom cleaner, a dish soap, and a counter clean. So I love our cleaning products. They are absolutely amazing, and I think that counter clean is magical. So I highly recommend our cleaning products. Again, they can be different fragrances as long as they come in that scent. Here we have our Pick 2 is what I believe it's called for the pet products. You get one shampoo, and you can pick either the Freshen Up Pup or the No Knot Spot. So you can get this and this or this and this as the bundle. And I can't remember exactly how much it saves, so I don't want to say it and quote me. So pick 2 for pet bundle. You can pick the shampoo and either or the other spray as the pet bundle. And then I have the Laundry Love bundle. I actually took this from my own laundry room because I am obsessed with this Palm Beach Breeze laundry scent. My whole house smells when I'm doing laundry with this scent. So this is Laundry Love. When you get this bundle, you save $10. It comes with the large tub of washer with crystals, the laundry liquid, and then 2 boxes of the dryer discs, which equals out to 4 because there's 2 in each box. So that is Laundry Love, and it will save you $10. I'm going to turn this around. So these are just a few of our bundle and save options. It's not even all of them. So if you were to click on your host party link and then go to the menu, then specials, and then bundle and save, that is where you're going to find all of the different ways you can save money as you shop. So if any questions, please let me know. Throw them in the comments below, and I hope you have a great day. Bye now. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for future notifications. Have a great day.